It's been a while since this project got progress, but here we are. I've got the interior of the boat dried out, and we've had 2 weeks of rain, so that really slowed things down. But I got this area cut out nice and neat, nice and flat. I used the interior cut out here. I didn't throw that away. I saved it to make this template here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this and we're gonna test fit it and see how that comes out. I've got the table saw, router, hand saws, and we'll see how it goes. After 3 passes with all the tools, 3 trips coming back and forth from the equipment over to the boat, I finally got it. This piece here is going to be the most outside layer, since that one's not as critical to get it perfect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece as a template to make the most very back piece. What I'm going to do at this step is go around with the camera, take a picture of where all the gaps are. That way, when I make the piece that goes on the very back, I'll have the exact measurements to make it as perfect of a fit as possible. So here we go. First half of the transom cut out. Time to work on the second piece. Yesterday I got both of the transom pieces cut out. They fit perfectly. And now I'm using the rest of the 4x8 sheet to cut out the wood that holds up the consoles onto the steering wheel, onto the windshield, my mistake. So when you take boats apart, an important thing to remember is not to just rip and destroy. Try to get things out in one piece as much as you can. Yesterday I got the 2 pieces of transom. I got them to fit perfectly in the hole that I cut out to replace the rotten wood. I got all the holes marked, the transom opening traced. Next I'm going to cut it out with a router while my son helps. Router bit came off. Take 2. And there we have it. One full uncut sheet in the middle. Trimmed off the right side of a sheet to fill in the starboard side. The other side of that one sheet is over here. I'm gonna buy 1x6s to go across and reinforce the floor because you'd fall in right now. And my last project for today is to measure the inside of the bow area up here and make a cutout for that.